Windows play a vital role in the functionality, aesthetics, and energy efficiency of any home. In Glendale, where residents experience a mix of hot summers and mild winters, proper window installation is not just a preference but a necessity. A well-installed window can enhance your home's comfort, reduce energy costs, and protect against weather elements, while improper installation can lead to a host of issues, including air leaks, water damage, and higher utility bills. Here's why proper window installation is crucial for Glendale homes and how it can make a significant difference. Maximizing energy efficiency. Glendale's climate demands energy-efficient solutions, particularly when it comes to managing indoor temperatures during sweltering summer months. Properly installed windows create an airtight seal that prevents cool air from escaping and hot air from entering your home. This not only ensures your air conditioning system works efficiently but also reduces energy costs. Improper installation, on the other hand, can leave gaps or weak points that compromise your home's insulation. These air leaks can force your HVAC system to work harder, resulting in higher utility bills and a less comfortable living environment. Preventing water damage. Rainfall in Glendale may not be frequent, but when it does occur, water intrusion can quickly become a problem with improperly installed windows. Poor sealing or uneven installation can allow water to seep through the gaps, leading to rot, mold, and structural damage over time. Proper window installation ensures that water stays outside where it belongs, protecting your home's interior and preventing costly repairs. This level of protection is particularly important for Glendale homeowners looking to maintain their property's value and integrity. Enhancing home security. Windows are a key point of entry for potential intruders, making proper installation a critical factor in home security. Professionally installed windows fit snugly into their frames, reducing vulnerabilities that could be exploited by burglars. Additionally, high-quality locks and secure hardware, when properly installed, add an extra layer of protection. This ensures your family and belongings are safe, giving you peace of mind. Extending the lifespan of your windows. Investing in new windows is a significant expense, and proper installation ensures you get the most out of your investment. Poor installation can cause unnecessary stress on the window frames and panes, leading to premature wear and tear. For example, misaligned windows may not open or close properly, leading to functionality issues and potential damage. With professional installation, your windows will operate smoothly and last for many years, providing reliable performance and aesthetic appeal. Maintaining aesthetic appeal. Windows contribute significantly to the overall look and feel of your home, both inside and out. Poorly installed windows can look uneven or out of place, detracting from your home's curb appeal. In a city like Glendale, where homes often reflect diverse architectural styles, maintaining a cohesive and polished appearance is important. Proper installation ensures that your windows align perfectly with your home's design, enhancing its overall beauty and value. Protecting against extreme weather. Glendale's summers bring intense heat, while occasional strong winds can put your home to the test. Properly installed windows are designed to withstand these environmental pressures, providing a barrier against the elements. This is especially crucial for homes in areas prone to occasional dust storms or high winds, where improperly installed windows may fail to hold up. Avoiding costly repairs and replacement. Improper window installation can lead to a domino effect of problems, including structural damage, water leaks, and energy inefficiency. These issues not only affect your home's functionality but also result in costly repairs and potential replacements. Hiring professionals for proper installation from the start saves you money in the long run by preventing these problems. It's a proactive investment that ensures your windows perform as intended without the added expense of frequent fixes. Increasing property value. For Glendale homeowners looking to sell in the future, properly installed windows are a selling point that potential buyers appreciate. They signal that the home has been well maintained and is equipped for energy efficiency and durability. Conversely, poorly installed windows can raise red flags, potentially lowering your property's market value. Ensuring manufacturer's warranty coverage. Most window manufacturers offer warranties that cover defects, but these warranties often require professional installation. Improper DIY or subpar installation can void these warranties, leaving you unprotected if an issue arises. By hiring professionals, you ensure that your windows are installed according to the manufacturer's specifications and that your warranty remains valid. Conclusion. Proper window installation is an essential aspect of maintaining the comfort, efficiency, and value of Glendale homes. From preventing air and water leaks to enhancing security and extending the lifespan of your windows, professional installation delivers benefits that far outweigh the initial cost. If you're considering new windows or suspect your current ones were not installed properly, don't hesitate to seek expert help. Professional window installation ensures your home is ready to handle Glendale's unique climate while providing long-term savings and peace of mind. Prioritize quality installation today, and enjoy the benefits for years to come.